The technology is called Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy, or PEMF for short. What it does is nothing short of remarkable. Using a high amount of voltage, in the tens of thousands, it creates a man-made lightning bolt that is then projected through a wire system to create a strong magnetic field that is intense but brief. So brief that the magnetic field safely slips through the cellular membranes to activate and charge the cell's DNA, the very essence of the repair mechanism of that cell. Studies show that pulse electromagnetic field therapy assists stem cells in your own body to differentiate into the damaged tissue. So the healing potential for this treatment is limitless. The FDA in the United States has already approved PEMF therapy for bone regeneration. And as mentioned before, there are over 600 studies online at the pubmed.gov website that show its validity in treating everything from Alzheimer's, back pain, digestive problems, anxiety, and yes, even cancer. PEMF therapy is changing medicine at a quick, alarming rate. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy involves no drugs, no surgeries, no invasive injections. It is a natural mechanism which stimulates your body's own innate healing abilities. It is the closest thing to science fiction, with one exception. This is real. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy produces results, a lot of times in cases where we see nothing else helps. Now, we have to be careful what we say because the FDA has only approved it for bone regeneration. However, you have to become your own doctor. Go online, do your own research, and you'll see the validity of this procedure for many, many different cases and many, many different conditions. Certainly in my own clinic here, I see PEMF therapy helping just about everything that walks through my door. In fact, it has become the #1 recommended treatment in my clinic. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy is performed comfortably in a room like this. You simply sit down or lay down and allow the magnetic field to run through your body. You'll normally feel a tingle, not uncomfortable, in the areas where there is the most damage. Over time, those sensations will change as the body heals. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy requires a minimum of 30 minutes and is usually done every day, Monday through Friday, for a 4-week period. Insurance companies do not pay for PEMF therapy, and your out-of-pocket expense is about $75 per visit. Most patients needing somewhere between 10 and 20 consecutive treatments. If you're suffering, if you're in pain, and you're not getting better, nothing seems to help, and you've been told that it's either all in your head or that there's just nothing more that can be done, you owe it to yourself to explore PEMF therapy. Now, I already mentioned a website you can go to review the research. So before you start hating on it and thinking that it's all nonsense, do yourself a favor, click the link, and look at the research. Then call my office. We'll sit down, we'll explore your case, we'll see if PEMF therapy can possibly help you. It's helped a lot of people in my office, and I'm pretty confident that it can help you too. So please, give me a call and let's explore the possibilities. Thank you.